Hello everyone and welcome back to this conversation, and today I'm now you can see the view of the nature where I am, and so that's why I really like it, this nature, because village life is very connected to the natures, and everyone feel like very excited and feeling very joy who's very get up early in the morning. So I got up early in the morning by 4:30 a.m. and firstly I performed namaz, then after I shoot one video, and finally, I reached this destination and just trying to make you why nature is so beautiful and everything you can see. It is very crystal and clear. Those who really want to speak in a better way, so you have to just trying to say that these are the ponds and across the river is flowing from that place, and it's a small amount of water which is on the farmland, and every person just trying to farming a such type of what we can say that these are the small types of plants which is floating on the water, and always in a Hindi language makhana just like a farming in that place, and because it's a day of the monsoon, and so that's why water is everywhere on the farmland, and it is very interesting to see because but you can't see in your city places where you are, but these things only you can see in village or the north side part of the India. And what do you think about it? Nature is very beautiful or not? Because if you connect it to nature, the nature provides a fresh oxygen, which is also helpful your mindset or the breathing related respiratory problems you won't be able to face any single day. Only the thing you will have to speak and just trying to talk in English no matter where you are. Only the way you have to just do it a relentless effort, and if you give from today, then you can see the result. It won't be vain because your every effort is an investing. Yes, everything is you are invested where you are just trying to do something in a very briefly or a very devastated, not a devastated. Sometimes you feel very devastated, but your output gives you a very delighted. So you always have to make it simple and concise and just trying to talk it in a simple way. So thing is that you have to be more clear and be dedicated towards your ambition which you really want to be more perfect. So that's why I'm here, and you can see everything might be you can see very normally way. So what do you think about it? Would you like to see the river places or not? Don't worry about it, I also just trying to make you and show you the river which is flowing across from that side. So let's move. Now you can see the river is flowing from that place, and there are boats which people use to cross from one side to other side, and always also carry the goods from one place to different place. So this is the place and this is the view of the nature, and where the river is flowing, and you can see the sides of the villages, parts of the farming land is growing very well, and you can see everywhere is very greenery and everyone can enjoy it. And also one thing, now you can see that place where the fishermen just uh, hang the fisher net, and in this way it can just fishing. So after they can sell it, the fisherman is not here, but after some time they will reach and just trying to take out so many fishes from this net and just trying to sell it and eat it. So this is the also a way of farming, and it's a way of doing a business. And this is one, but after from when you move gradually towards the forward, you can see many fishing nets are there, and everyone just trying to fishing from one places to different, and there are boats and many people are just here and just trying to see the view because it's a morning time and it is very productive, everyone know about it. So this is the beauty of the nature and everyone just like to enjoy it. So this is the quality of the natures why always I'm just trying to say this. Nature is very beautiful and it gives a lots of benefits which you can't be expected. Okay, I am hoping that you are understanding very clearly, because my camera quality is not very well, but I also just trying to show you something which is very important related to our life. So how you think about it? It is very good way or not? So that's why I just trying to make a simple kind of video which you can easily understand. So if you really want to speak, so just trying to give a relentless effort, no matter what a kind of way you are thinking, just trying to speak in front of camera or recording a such kind of video. And after, you can just trying to rewind and watch it, and you can see where you are doing mistake and what a kind of way you are just speaking. Just speak like it. Then if you're just trying to give a simple or a gradually way, then you can see the result will comes automatically, no matter what you are. Now you can see. Okay, now this is the small conversation or a small talk video. I have to just switch off this video. So bye for now. I'll meet you in my next conversation. Goodbye, take care.